Dr. Ruta.
And I'm Dr. Alok. We are parents to our 1.5-year-old daughter Anvi. And ever since COVID began, we've been thinking of more innovating and engaging ways to keep our daughter busy. That is when we came across this Flintoclass at Home online. And ever since this has been delivered, it's easier to manage Anvi because she gets really engrossed in the different activities packed in here.
There are neatly packed activities which are given per day. Every parent has a dashboard on which the parent can log in and then learn, and then the parent can teach the child. So online exposure of the children are also cut down. So we are more into hands-on experience for the child. Also now my child has learned to focus and do one activity at a time. So she loves sticking, she loves painting.
Flintoclass has really helped us. So we strongly recommend Flintoclass at Home.